Hello, please subscribe to my channel to get easy and quick recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today, let's see how to make Matar Paneer. So let's have a look at the ingredients. 250 grams of paneer, 1 large onion chopped roughly, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 4 to 5 cashew nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoon of Everest Kitchen King masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 2 green chilies, 1 cup of boiled peas and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Let's start with heating oil in a pan. Take about 1 tablespoon oil. Add the paneer cubes. And saute them. Make sure the flame is medium or low, or else the paneer might change color immediately. If you are using fresh paneer, you can skip this step. I am using frozen paneer, so I like it to be a bit fried. So saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes until the color turns a bit golden brown. Meanwhile, let's puree the tomatoes and keep. So my tomato puree is ready and so is the paneer. I have fried it so you can see the color. So you can fry it according to this. So now I'm going to keep this aside and move on to the next step. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Add onions, cumin seeds, green chili, poppy seeds or khaskhas, kasuri methi, garlic cloves, and cashews. Mix them well. Saute for 1-2 minutes. After sauteing for 1-2 minutes, I am adding half cup of water. Now cook this until all the water evaporates. Cook it on low to medium flame. So the water will evaporate slowly and hence it will cook everything nicely. As you can see, all the water has been evaporated nicely. So now you can turn off the flame and cool it completely, and once it is cooled down completely, grind all of this to a fine paste. So my coconut paste is ready. So first heat about 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, and once the oil is heated, add all the onion paste. Fry this paste for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the onion paste is fried, add tomato puree. Give a nice stir. Next I'm adding half teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. Give a nice stir. Next add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, mix it well. Then Add 1 cup of boiled peas. Give a nice stir and allow it to start boiling. As you can see, the curry has started to boil. Next, I'm going to add about half cup of water. And the fried paneer pieces. Give a nice stir. So I've covered this with a lid and I will let it cook for around 5 minutes. Matar paneer is ready. This curry goes really well with jeera rice. I also have a video showing how to make jeera rice. The link is available in the description below. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.